So what I'm going to do today is create a new mobile project. So let's work on a one where we create a new configuration of the mobile application. To do so, all I have to do is click on the new, and I'll pick the template. So I mentioned that we at Resco create quite a few templates to make the life a little bit easier. So it's right here, template. And when I click on this drop-down menu, I can select between sales, field service, inspector, and inspector schedule manager. So because we call this course Field Service 2.0, let's choose the Field Service Technician template. Let's call it 2.0 training. And now we'll assign the priority. I'll put there just a big number like 30. And I'll talk about it in just a second. And one more thing we have to do is assign the mobile project to a specific role. So my role as part of this environment is a system administrator. So I'll check that role on the screen right here. But think of this as a way to create different experiences, so different configurations of the app for different type of users. You can create an application project for salesperson, then you can create a new one for service technician, a different one for inspector, and maybe a different one for CEO. And that's the way how we support it. And then priority, why it's important. Sometimes it might happen that one user has multiple system roles. So let's say that Ivan, I'm a system admin, but I'm also a sales manager and an inspector. And if I have mobile projects or application projects for these different roles, by setting the priority to the highest number, that's how we define which application project would be applied for my role. I hope that makes sense. If not, please let me know in the questions. So this initial setup, I think, looks good. So we're creating a new mobile project. We picked up an existing template, field service technician. We put there a name, assigned a priority, and we also picked up a security role to which this mobile project or application project will be applied to. So I'll hit the Save button now to create this application project. And you can see it's now here at the top of the screen. Right now, it's not available for the actual mobile devices. And you can see that by that little sign next to it, it has a gray sign with an exclamation mark. That means it hasn't been enabled or published.